Direct replacement and operation. Each design is life-tested to ensure mechanical integrity and proper function. Ignition lock cylinder assemblies are produced to original equipment appearance and keys are shaped to match manufacturer-specific style. Package dimensions: 7. 62 hx8, 128 lx8, 382 w centimeters. Every item in the original engine management program is tested to conform to original equipment quality, form, fit, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Fits and works great. It's so easy to swap out an ignition on a Ford, it's almost scary. The old one was so worn you didn't need a key to start it, you could just turn the ignition and viola. I used an awl, pushed the release tab in, slid out the old ignition, slide in the new and TAA DAW.